What's up guys, today we're going to be playing the new enclosed trailer update in APM Roblox. So we're going to do an overview of the update. There are bumper trailers, okay. Let's spawn these two in. We will go over them both and then yeah. Let's spawn this one in too. Get out of here. You go to a house or something. Actually, yeah, it's fine. Okay, we're gonna go over this thing. Open door, begin. Okay, the outside looks okay. Nice wheels on it. There's a back that looks like it opens. We're gonna go check that out. Let's open all the doors. Yeah, there's a ramp right here. It looks like a very spacious trailer. Oh, there's a flap that goes up on it to show your car. These look like corridors or something or whatever. Look like, I don't know, but they're just there. It's a very spacious trailer. We're gonna test what cars fit in it. We're gonna test if a pickup truck can fit in it, because if pickup truck can fit in it, pretty much any car can. Okay, let's try to put the pickup truck in real quick. Ooh, it doesn't move everywhere. Okay, it kinda does. Okay, we could, as you can see, pretty much it fits, but like, this back will be the problem. So, it could pretty much fit any car, because it keeps this in it. So, let's go get the next trailer, and then we'll be off. It looks like a very nice trailer, very comfortable if you're just going to arrive and we'll do. Let's check out this one. Okay, this one is way taller and way bigger, so I'm expecting better things from this one. This looks like it raises up, so we gotta check it out. There's exterior lights to this one, which is very nice compared to the other one. Let's see what the other buttons do. It showed in a picture that I can raise on. There is a wheel cover to this one, which is very nice, but I think the wheel cover would be better. There's way better space. There's nothing to this side. There's more of these door flaps in here. There's more of these cabinets. Interior lights. Very bright interior lights. So you can lift the platform. So we're gonna get a truck and then lift it in there and see. So actually we'll get a nice little car. Let's get this. We'll get a Corvette. It looks nice in there. So you got the Corvette. It fits, I know it does. We gotta get on the platform. Okay, now that we are on the platform, we can get to the lifted platform. Raise it. Very realistic, very nice. Lifts it very perfectly. And look, there's lights on the bottom of this one. So when we lift it fully, we still have space on the wall. We're gonna check it right now. See, look, the Corvette is up here. Very snug. Got room for an extra car down here. So yeah. If you guys want more tips and the updates, just come watch the videos, and we'll see you in another one.